Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make Keto Cheese Danishes. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to be making these easy Keto Cheese Danishes. We're going to start off with a fathead dough and it's going to be delicious. I'm excited. So we're starting with some mozzarella cheese and I'm going to add in some almond flour and a pinch of salt. And this is how I like to make my fathead dough. I like to go ahead and mix in the almond flour with the mozzarella cheese, and then we're gonna microwave it for 1 minute. And that just makes it a lot easier to mix when it comes out of the microwave. So in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, our mozzarella cheese and almond flour is out of the microwave. So I'm gonna add in the sweetener and some cream cheese. We're gonna mix this in, and if it's not melted enough, we can put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. And that's what I'm gonna do. And we're back. So this is a lot nicer, just easier to stir. That extra 30 minutes, or 30 seconds was the perfect amount of time. So I'm gonna keep stirring this, and I'm gonna get it cooled down before we add in the egg. We don't want to scramble the egg. Okay, that is cooled down enough, so I'm going to add the egg in. And now we're just going to keep smushing this all up until the egg is incorporated. Okay, now that we've got our dough all mixed, okay, so we're going to cut this into 6. So we're going to cut across the middle, and then we're just going to make each one into thirds. It's rough, but I can kind of see what's going on. So now we're just going to pick up our dough. I'm going to go here. This is just so we can get a rough guesstimate of how much we need for each Danish. So just roll it up and into a ball right there, just so we can get these sectioned off. And the dough is quite sticky. Okay, we've got a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm going to use this scoop. I'm just going to scoop out our little sections and I'm going to plop it on here. Let's make sure it stays formed, and then I'm just going to put a divot in the middle. Just like that. The others, just plop them on here. They're not so sticky now. Okay, let's give them some room, and then we're going to do our little divot. I'm going to spray this with cooking spray so it'll just come off. Okay, spray that with cooking spray. Now, that's what I'm talking about. You could also use the back of a spoon if you don't have one of these little scoopers, or you can just use your finger. Just make it how you want, any shape you want. Okay, these are ready for the oven. Okay, while our danishes are in the oven, I'm gonna work on the filling for the top. We've got some powdered sweetener here, and I'm gonna add in some cream cheese and some heavy cream and a pinch of salt. And we're going to beat this with the mixer until it's all smooth. Okay, our danishes are out of the oven. They cooked at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And now we're going to put a spoonful of the cream cheese mixture in the middle, just like so. You want to make sure and use every last drop of cream cheese. Okay, now we can use the spoon just to smoosh it around, but these are going to go back in the oven for a few minutes just so they can melt, so that cream cheese can melt on top. Back in the oven they go. All right, here are the danishes out of the oven. Now we're just going to use a butter knife just to smooth out the topping. Look, oh my gosh, that looks so amazing. Cannot wait to bite into one of these, but they are super hot, so we're gonna let them cool on the tray. Okay, let's plate these up. They look so good. And this one is for me. Look at that. Those are so perfect. Yum. Guys, make sure you check out this other video here that we are suggesting that you watch. I would love it if you would click on it and watch it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.